So the strategy, why do we want to bother introducing new characters into our story? Well, it certainly makes the auction more interesting, and it requires the opener and the responder to add vocabulary to what they already know. And it has to do with the scoring. Okay, so one big idea for having the intervener and the advancer is to compete for the contract. Why do we want to just sit there when our right-hand opponent opens the bidding and watch the opener and responder have a nice conversation to wherever they want to be, right? When we're on the opposing side, we want to intervene into their auction and compete for the contract. Second big idea of those overcalls, and that's what we're going to be doing as intervener today, is to get partner off to the best lead. Very first class, we talked about you want to lead your partner's bid suit. Well, up until now, partner hasn't bid a suit. In today's lesson, partner will be bidding a suit. And whatever partner bids in the auction, if you find yourself on lead, that's the suit you're going to lead, right? So it makes it easy for partner to know what suit to lead. And the third big strategy idea for overcalls is to push your opponents up a level, right? Why let them play in two hearts when perhaps your side could compete to two spades and push opener and responder up to the 3 level, right? Sometimes you can set them there. You can take 5 tricks and they don't get a plus score. You get a plus score. So pushing your opponents around is the third biggest reason that we have this overcall strategy.